Got another one. Opposite direction. This one looks weirder. I think it's looking at me. It's like, oh, okay, there's a fucking drone right there. Fucking things are all over. I don't know what's going on. This doesn't look normal. Okay, we have 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Why is there 3 drones? Something's going on, boo. Sure as hell ain't helicopters. Okay, 2 in 1 frame here. There we go. One at the top, one at the bottom. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Damn it. Stupid light. Alright. That one's got some crazy colors on it. I mean, those don't look like drone strobes. Look at this one. That look like drone to you guys? It don't look like a drone to me. It's like 11 at night. It's freezing out. They're just chilling drones. 1, 2, 3, random. I mean, what are they doing? I just don't get it. These 2 are going to meet up here shortly, so let's see what happens there. Its lights are changing, so its lights change. Other one's behind the tree. I'll see the other one now. We go dark. It's like there's one way behind it. Okay, I see the other one. I think the other one's trying to freaking get me. I don't trust them. There's that one. It's just weird. Y'all can't tell me that ain't weird. The patterns on the lights change. I mean, when I send my drone up with this drone, it's the same. They don't change. Sorry, y'all. Trying to watch. All right, I'm gonna stop.